Hey everyone, welcome to this crash course, Linux for Beginners. Whether you are new to Linux or just want a quick refresher, you are in the right place. We'll cover all the essentials from using the terminal, basic commands, file permissions, package managers, and more. Let's dive in. Linux is an open source operating system like Windows or macOS, but it's fast, secure, customizable, and most importantly, free. It powers everything from phones to servers and is a must-know for developers, sysadmins, and testers. There are many flavors of Linux called distributions or distros. Examples: Ubuntu, user-friendly; Fedora is cutting edge; Debian is stable; Kali Linux for security testing; CentOS, AlmaLinux, enterprise servers. Choose Ubuntu if you are a beginner. Linux uses a tree-like directory structure. Some important folders: root directory, home, / is root directory, / home is user directories, / etc. system, config files, / var, logs and variable data, / bin and sbin, essential binaries, / user, usr, user installed apps. No drive letters like C. Everything is under /. Let's explore some basic terminal commands. pwd, show current directory; ls, list files; ls-l, long format; cd for path, change directory cd; this, sign, go to home; make directory, my directory, make directory; rm, directory, my directory, remove empty directory; rm file.txt, delete file; rm dash r, my directory, delete directory and contents; touch file.txt, create new empty file; cp a.txt, b.txt, copy file; move mv old new, move / rename file. Okay, so use tab to autocomplete and this sign, up sign, to repeat last command. Linux is multi-user and permission driven. Each file has 3 permission sets: owner, group, others. Permissions are read, write, execute. Example: ls-l, rwx r-x r one user group file.sh. To change permissions and ownership, change mode +x file.sh, make executable. Change mode chmod 755 file.sh, set rwx r-xr-x, chown user group file.sh, change ownership. So use who am I ID and groups to inspect user info. Cat file.txt, view file content. Less file.txt, scrollable view. Head -n 10 file, top lines. Tail -n 10 file, bottom lines. ps aux, list all processes, top. Real-time processor, process viewer. Kill PID, terminate the processor. Use clear to clean the terminal. Use man command for help. ipconfig or IPA, show IP addresses. Ping google.com, test network. Curl http://site.com, fetch URL. scp file, user at host, secure copy to remote. ssh, user at host, connect to remote server. SSH is crucial for working with remote Linux servers. Every distro has a package manager. Examples: for Ubuntu, Debian, sudo apt update, sudo apt install package, sudo apt remove package. For Fedora, sudo dnf install package. For Arch, sudo pacman-s package. Use which to find the path of installed tools. Example, which node dot. Sudo lets you run commands as super user. Root. Sudo command run with root privileges. Be cautious. Sudo rm-rf can wipe your system. So do not use this command. Control plus C, stop command. Control plus L, clear screen. Control plus D, log out. History, show recent commands. Alias ll, ls-l, make your own shortcuts. Add aliases to this /rc or this sign /zshrc dot. You can practice Linux in a virtual machine using VirtualBox plus Ubuntu, WSL on Windows 10, 11, online terminals like HTTPS, ballad.org, GS Linux, HTTPS replit.com, HTTPS linuxzoo.net. No need to install Linux to start learning. Just use these terminals, online terminals. Thanks for watching, and certainly if you find this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which part you want a deep dive on. Thanks for watching.